Want a cleaner and more organized home? These smart Amazon storage finds help save space, reduce clutter, and make organization easier. All product links are in the description below. Number 1. The MSHOMELY Plastic Bedsheet Organizers. A smart storage solution designed to keep your linens neat, protected, and easy to access. It eliminates messy sheet piles, saves valuable closet space, protects fabrics from dust, and helps keep your bedroom setup clean, organized, and stress-free. It also gives closets a more premium and organized look with minimal effort. Number 2. The GoMaihe Clothes Storage Bin. A spacious storage solution designed to organize clothes, blankets, and seasonal items neatly. It helps maximize storage space, reduces room clutter, protects clothes from dust, and keeps closets and bedrooms cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage. It also makes storing and accessing items faster and more convenient for everyday use. Number 3. The Storage MANIAC Rolling Laundry Hamper. A smart laundry solution designed for easy clothes collection and mobility. It holds dirty laundry neatly, rolls smoothly for effortless movement, saves floor space, reduces clutter, and makes laundry management faster, cleaner, and more convenient. Number 4. The Lifewit Jeans Pants Storage Organizer. A smart closet solution designed to neatly store jeans and pants in an organized way. It saves wardrobe space, keeps clothes wrinkle-free, improves visibility of items, reduces clutter, and makes choosing outfits faster and more convenient. It also helps maintain a clean and well-structured closet for daily use. Number 5. The Luseba Underbed Storage Containers. A space-saving storage solution designed to utilize unused underbed space efficiently. It stores clothes, blankets, and seasonal items neatly, saves closet space, protects items from dust, improves home organization, and makes storage more accessible and convenient. Number 6. The MSHOMELY Socks and Underwear Drawer Organizer. A smart space-saving solution designed to instantly upgrade your drawer organization. It neatly separates socks, underwear, and small essentials, eliminates messy clutter, maximizes drawer space, and makes everything easy to find in seconds. It keeps your storage clean, organized, and visually satisfying while giving your closet a more premium and structured feel. Number 7. The CTSNSLH 4-tier plastic storage bins with lid. A smart vertical storage system designed for maximum home organization. It provides stacked storage for clothes, essentials, and household items, saves floor space, protects everything from dust, reduces clutter, and keeps your home clean, organized, and highly efficient. It also gives your space a more modern, neat, and premium look. Number 8. The Univivi 6-shelf over door hanging organizer. A smart vertical storage solution designed to maximize unused door space. It provides multiple shelves for clothes, accessories, and daily essentials, saves floor and closet space, reduces clutter, keeps items easily accessible, and makes home organization more efficient and space-friendly. Number 9. The Vtopmart 4-pack clear stackable storage drawers. A sleek and practical storage solution designed for easy organization and visibility. It lets you quickly see and access items, reduces clutter, stacks efficiently to save space, keeps essentials neatly arranged, and makes your home look more clean, modern, and organized. Number 10. The SunTrade Wooden Tie Hanger. A smart closet organizer designed to neatly store ties, belts, and accessories. It saves wardrobe space, keeps items wrinkle-free, provides quick access, reduces clutter, and adds a clean, organized look to your closet setup. Number 11. The Laiensia Double Rods Garment Rack. A sturdy and spacious clothing storage solution designed to organize outfits efficiently. It provides extra hanging space for clothes, keeps garments wrinkle-free, saves closet space, improves accessibility, and makes wardrobe organization simple and more structured. It also helps you display and access your clothes in a clean, organized way. Number 12. The ClearSpace Oversized Moving Bags. A heavy-duty storage solution designed for easy packing and transporting of large items. It holds bulky clothes, blankets, and essentials, saves space during moving or storage, is durable and reusable, protects items from dust, and makes organizing or relocating stress-free and convenient. It also folds flat when not in use for easy storage. Number 13. The Magic Pants Hangers Space Saving. A smart closet organizer designed to maximize hanging space efficiently. It holds multiple pants on one hanger, saves wardrobe space, keeps clothes wrinkle-free, improves visibility, and makes outfit selection faster and more convenient. It also helps maintain a clean, organized, and clutter-free closet setup. Number 14. The SNSLH 5-pack Stackable Closet Storage Basket. A versatile storage solution designed to organize clothes and household items efficiently. It stacks easily to save space, keeps items neatly arranged, reduces clutter, improves accessibility, and makes your closet or room look clean, organized, and well-structured. Number 15. The Binong Pull-Out Closet Valet Rod. A smart wardrobe accessory designed for quick outfit preparation and organization. It extends easily for hanging clothes, helps plan outfits in advance, saves closet space, keeps garments wrinkle-free, and makes dressing and organizing more convenient and efficient. Number 16. The SONGMICS Shoe Rack Bench. A multifunctional entryway solution designed for both seating and shoe organization. It provides a sturdy place to sit while wearing shoes, stores multiple pairs neatly, saves space, reduces clutter, and keeps your entryway clean, organized, and welcoming. It also adds a stylish and practical touch to your home entrance. Number 17. The House Day Space Saving Hanger Hooks. A smart closet accessory designed to maximize hanging space instantly. It allows you to stack multiple hangers vertically, saves wardrobe space, keeps clothes organized, reduces clutter, and makes your closet more efficient and well-structured. It also helps you utilize every inch of closet space in a smarter way, and keeps your wardrobe looking clean and organized. Number 18. The Ecoslan Large 6-Tier Jewelry Organizer. A stylish and elegant storage solution designed to keep your jewelry perfectly organized and tangle-free. It features multiple layers for rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets, prevents tangling and damage, saves space, improves visibility, and makes selecting accessories quick and effortless. It also adds a premium, organized look to your dressing area, and keeps your accessories beautifully displayed. Number 19. The Hat Rack Stand. A simple yet effective storage solution designed to keep your hats neatly organized and easily accessible. It holds multiple caps in one place, saves closet space, prevents deformation, reduces clutter, and keeps your hat collection clean, organized, and ready to wear anytime. It also helps maintain hat shape and gives your space a more tidy, structured, and premium look. Number 20. The Lifewit 2-pack Laundry Basket. A lightweight and practical storage solution designed for easy laundry management and home organization. It holds clothes efficiently, saves space with its foldable design, keeps laundry neatly sorted, is easy to carry, and makes daily cleaning routines more simple and convenient. It also helps reduce clutter and keeps your home more organized and tidy. Number 21. The Broom Holder with Cleaning Supplies Organizer. A smart wall-mounted storage solution for brooms, mops, and cleaning tools. It saves space, prevents clutter, and keeps everything neatly organized and easily accessible. It also helps maintain a clean, tidy, and well-organized home setup effortlessly. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon finds and smart home organization ideas.